Hello, good day viewers. Still on how to solve radical equations. This particular equation here has no real solution, but it has a complex solution, going back to the complex world. So let's solve it. We have square root of x multiplied by x plus 1 to the left, and we have square root of x minus 4 to the right. Both terms contain square root, so square root can cancel square root, leaving x plus 1 to the left, and this is equal to x minus 4. And if you like, you can square both sides, it's all the same. Well, we can expand this parenthesis. We have x times x is x squared, and x multiplied by 1 is x. To the right, we have x minus 4. We have positive x here, we have positive x here, so they can cancel out, leaving x squared equals minus 4. We are looking for x, not x squared, so we are free to take square root of both sides. So we say x equals plus or minus square root of negative 4. In the real world, we don't have square root of a negative number. So if you wish to stop here, you can say that x does not belong to the set of real numbers. But if you wish to continue to the complex world, you know negative 4 under square root can be written as this is equal to x plus or minus square root of 4 separately multiplied by square root of negative 1, because negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. So in short, if you are multiplying two numbers under square root, you are free to take their square root independently, then later on multiply. We know in real world square root of 4 is 2. So x equal to plus or minus 2 multiplied by square root of negative 1 in the complex world is I. So we have plus or minus 2i in the complex world. If you wish to testify whether this solution is true or not, you can check it in the main equation. You can even check it here, because already square root will cancel square root. This is the equation left for us. So let us check it here. Let's start with positive 2i. You see we have positive 2i multiplied by positive 2i plus 1. Is this equal to, here we have positive 2i minus 4. Is the left hand side equal to the right hand side? Let's expand. 2 times 2 is 4. I times I is negative 1, so we can attach negative here, so we have negative 4. 2i multiplied by 1 is 2i. Is this the same thing as 2i minus 4? Exactly the same. You know this is commutative, addition is commutative, they are interchangeable. 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 plus 2. So we are free to take this one before this. We can write it as 2i minus 4, and you can see it is exactly as 2i minus 4. So 2i positive satisfy this equation. If you like, you can test for negative 2i to see whether it will satisfy the equation, but we have already seen that x does not belong to the set of real numbers. Here we have negative 2i, inside we have negative 2i plus 1, and to the right we have negative 2i minus 4. Negative negative is positive, 2 times 2 is 4. I times I is negative 1, because I squared is negative 1, so we have negative 4 here. Negative positive is negative, 2i times 1 is 2i. And to the right we have minus 2i minus 4. So you can see that negative 4 minus negative 2i is exactly as negative 2i minus 4. If you like, you can interchange this, because I told you they are interchangeable. You can write minus 2i before negative 4. Minus 2i minus 4. You can see it is exactly as this. So we can conclude by saying that x is equal to plus or minus 2i in the complex world, but in the real world, x does not belong to the set of real numbers. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.